Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, spine erect, eyes closed. Do some deep breathing. Now we are going to practice today Kapalabhati pranayama. To do this practice, inhale deep and long. Fill your lungs with air and exhale forcefully. When you are exhaling, your belly goes in. The way we sneeze, the same way we will exhale here. Inhalation will be normal, exhalation will be forceful. If you are doing it for the first time, do not do it more than 50 counts. Early morning practice with empty stomach will be beneficial for your health and mind. Kapalabhati pranayama reduces stress and anxiety. It makes you weight loss because of it detoxifies your body. It also fights against PCOS. People who are suffering from PCOS, it can be beneficial for them. It purifies the blood and also strengthens the immune system. It also good for hair and skin. People who are heart patient or have high blood pressure or hernia problem, please avoid this practice.